In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create blurred videos in CapCut using a super simple method that works great for making your footage look stylish, soft, or easier to share. This is especially useful if you want to blur an entire clip for privacy, to create a background effect, or to give your video a more polished visual style. And if you want more easy CapCut tutorials like this one, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step editing guides. Alright, let's jump right into CapCut. First, open CapCut and import the video clip you want to blur. Once your clip is in the project, drag it down onto the timeline. This is where all of your editing happens, so make sure your video is placed on the main track before you start adding any effects. Now that your clip is on the timeline, look at the top left menu bar and click on the Effects tab. This is where CapCut keeps all of its visual effects, including blur options, color effects, and creative filters. Inside the effects area, choose Video Effects. Then use the search bar and type in blur. CapCut will show you the blur effects available. And for this tutorial, you want to select the standard blur effect. Once you find it, drag the blur effect down onto the timeline. Important note here, the effect should go on its own track directly above your video clip. That way, the blur effect applies properly to the footage underneath it. After that, you need to make sure the effect lasts for the full length of your video. To do that, click and stretch the edges of the blur effect bar so it matches the exact duration of your clip. If the effect is too short, only part of your video will be blurred, so take a second to line it up properly. Next, click on the blur effect track so it becomes selected. In the top right configuration panel, you'll see a strength slider. This is where you control how intense the blur looks. If you want a soft blur, keep it lower. If you want a stronger, more obvious blur, slide it higher until it looks right for your project. This is a really simple way to blur the entire video in CapCut, and it only takes a few clicks once you know where everything is. You can use this technique for social media edits, privacy edits, transitions, or even as a creative background look. If you're following along, take a moment to check that the blur effect covers the whole clip and that the strength level matches the style you want. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how professional the final video looks. And that's it. You've now learned how to create blurred videos in CapCut by adding a blur effect across your entire clip. If this tutorial helped you out, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.